Hi, I'm Charlotte. I'm owner of Charlotte's Collection Etsy shop. I'm located in Helotes, Texas, and I've been on Etsy since 2008. I've done a lot of different things through the years, but lately I paint, and I have a few paintings that I sell, and I like to sew. I like to sew holiday aprons. This is the new year, so I am making Valentine's aprons and starting into some springtime aprons. Pierre and Zoe have decided to join me here. Here's Zoe. I don't know if you can see her. This is my cat Pierre. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my latest apron. It's the red cherry and heart Valentine's with the circular ruffle on the bottom. And then I have another one. It's a half apron that's, to me, very vintage looking. Kind of reminds me of I Love Lucy. I think if she were to have a Valentine's apron, this is kind of the way it would look. This is a mandala that I did recently, and I filmed myself drawing it and coloring it in for my YouTube channel, Charlotte Littlejohn. I'd really appreciate it if you could follow me or subscribe to me on my YouTube channel, because starting this year and near future, I will be doing some demos and art techniques on my YouTube channel. I want to maybe do some sewing techniques for my that I do for my aprons, and then some art techniques like maybe even drawing an abstract. So if you could subscribe to Charlotte Littlejohn, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.